Today, we're diving into an exciting comparison, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 versus the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5. Can the versatile all-season CrossClimate 2 with its 3-peak mountain certification truly handle winter? Or does the dedicated studless winter tire, the Hakkapeliitta R5, dominate in harsh conditions? Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. Let's start with ice performance. The Hakkapeliitta R5 shows its specialist advantage, stopping 7 meters shorter than the CrossClimate 2 during ice braking tests from 25 to 5 kilometers per hour. For acceleration on ice, the R5 reaches the mark in 8 seconds, compared to the CrossClimate's 13 seconds, a difference of nearly 5 seconds, and in ice handling, the R5 completes a lap 2.8 seconds faster than the CrossClimate, proving its superior winter grip. Moving to snow, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 still has an edge, though the gap narrows. In snow braking from 35 to 5 kilometers per hour, the R5 stops 0.8 meters shorter than the CrossClimate 2. Snow acceleration from 5 to 35 kilometers per hour also shows a slight edge, with the R5 reaching speed 0.6 seconds faster. In snow handling, the R5 completes a lap 5 seconds quicker than the CrossClimate, further emphasizing its winter focus. When it comes to wet performance, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 takes the lead. During wet braking from 80 to 5 km per hour, the CrossClimate stops a significant 14.4 meters shorter than the R5. In wet handling, it finishes a lap 3.3 seconds faster than the R5, demonstrating better grip. And in aquaplaning resistance, the CrossClimate maintains stability up to 86 km per hour, while the R5 loses traction at 59.8 km per hour, a difference of over 26 km per hour. On dry roads, the CrossClimate 2 shines again, stopping 5.5 meters shorter than the R5 in dry braking. For subjective dry handling, the CrossClimate 2 scores higher, with a rating of 5 compared to the R5 rating of 3, indicating better control and responsiveness on dry pavement. Now, let's look at noise and fuel efficiency. The Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 is quieter, at 68.1 decibels, 0.7 decibels lower than the CrossClimate, and scores 2 points higher in subjective comfort. It's also slightly more fuel efficient, using 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers compared to the CrossClimate's 5.45 liters. In summary, the all-season Michelin CrossClimate 2 with the 3-peak mountain certification excels overwhelmingly in wet and dry performances. On the other hand, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5, being a studless tire, overwhelmingly excels in ice, snow, and noise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.